You will now learn how to read the vernier caliper. First, let us consider the calibrations on the main beam. The main beam scale is numbered in 10 mm steps. Each 10 mm division is subdivided by 1 mm divisions. A reading at this position is read as 25 mm and is written as 25,00 millimeters. A reading at this position reads 78 millimeters. Now let us consider the vernier scale. The vernier scale is divided by 10 numbered divisions. Each of the numbered divisions represents 1/10 of a millimeter, written as 0,1 millimeter. A reading taken at this position represents 0,5 millimeters. Now, each numbered division is subdivided by smaller divisions, each representing 1/50th of a millimeter. This is written as 0,02 millimeters. A reading at this position indicates an opening of 0,02 millimeters. A reading at this position indicates an opening of 0,76 millimeters. Remember that one small division on the vernier scale is equal to 0,02 millimeters. You are now ready to combine the main scale and vernier scale readings to obtain a combined or full reading. Whole millimeters are counted from the 0 line on the main scale up to the left end 0 line of the vernier scale. This 0 line is called the datum. In the example shown, the full reading is 20 millimeters. When the datum line corresponds or lines up exactly with the division on the main scale, then the reading is taken as having no figures to the right of the decimal. The reading shown would be written as 15,0 millimeters. However, when the datum does not correspond exactly, then a reading is taken at a position where a vernier division exactly corresponds with a main scale division. To obtain a full reading, first establish the number of whole millimeters. There are 21 in this example. Next, find the position where a main scale line exactly corresponds with a vernier scale line. In this example, it is 2 small divisions to the right of number 6 on the vernier scale. Total up and you get 21 full millimeters, 6/10 of a millimeter, plus 2 small vernier divisions of 0,02 each. Therefore, the final reading is 21,64 millimeters in the example shown. Let's look at another example. The reading shown is 47,46 millimeters, made up by the 47 whole millimeters, 4 full vernier numbered divisions, and 3 vernier subdivisions. As you practice using your vernier, you will soon become familiar with the readings. At the end of this program, we suggest that you take several measurements of objects for which you can obtain the manufacturer's sizes. When you consistently obtain the identical readings, you can be sure that you have mastered the metric vernier. This concludes this program. You can learn more about advanced engineering skills by viewing further programs in the Tech AV series.